how to create YouTube business uh, account or band account. Okay, so branded account. So click YouTube link, then setting. So add or manage your channel. Okay, so create a channel. So create your channel name, business or band account. You can use your band name or another name. A Google channel name represent you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. Okay, channel name. Okay, so first of all, channel name TECK, Tech Pro BD net net. So click I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its one setting include YouTube search and watch history. So create. Verify your account. So you are almost done. We just need verify account before you can start using his phone number. So phone number 017 Surashi. Okay. So how should we send your text message? So continue. Enter your verification code. Verify your account. So just wait. So 37 32 64 সরি 74 37 32 74 37 32 74. Okay, so great, just wait. Okay, so take pro BT net. So thank you everyone.